So, time again to unbox something that came in the mail. And it's the Makita cordless circular saw, the DHS680Z. So let's see what's in here. First is the manual, of course, the guiding rail, or whatever this is called in English. And of course the saw itself. And something dropped on the floor. Ah yes. As always, I'm happy when I get the dust extraction, and it's actually in here, so I wasn't sure about that. Some more paperwork. So that's it. The Makita cordless circular saw. So let's see if we can get this up and running. So I'm gonna move that away. So I bought this one without without the battery, because I had a battery before, and I thought I could use that. So let's start to see if I can get this mounted here. It comes with one screw, which seems to be the one there. So I suppose this should go like this then. Oh, this is always an IQ test. Yes. So, and this is, what is it? What kind of head is on here? It's an ordinary star, I think it's called. So, great. So now I'm going to start this machine and see how it works. And for that I have the battery I had before, because this saw came with, I bought this saw without the battery. So it's a 0 version. And I have this 4 amp batteries, Makita batteries. And it goes here. Like that. So it's a sturdy construction. And oh, we have a light also. Great, there's a light there. And as it seems, we can't start it without releasing this brake. So there's a locking mechanism here. So I suppose you can do like that. So let's start it. That actually feels very good. So I really like these brushless motors. Well, you can see it's a brushless motor, but being a brushless motor, it means you spend less energy on moving parts, and more energy is going to the blade. And I also like the blade brake. As soon as I release the on-off switch here, it stops very quickly. It's great for safety. So I think that's all for now. I'm going to use this saw in upcoming projects. So so far I'm satisfied with it. So thank you for watching.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.